So I've got a question for you. You know, everybody knows somebody. Everybody has an attorney that they know. I have a guy. Oh, my uncle's an attorney, and everybody has someone that's in construction. How do you know if you're getting good advice? I mean, we've seen lots of folks that come in and say, "My brother-in-law said this is the way it should be done." What advice do you have for folks out there who, how do you tell if it's not your field, if you're getting good advice? What do you do?
Well, attorneys are like doctors where, we have specialties. And so, some attorneys try to do everything they possibly can and be everything to everybody. And they are a jack of all trades and a master of none. And what you really need is somebody who's been through what you're going through hundreds of times, right? So it's like, if you've got a problem with your shoulder, you see the shoulder specialist. You just don't go see some regular doctor. Same thing if you got a problem with a contractor and you're a homeowner and you need advice on how to deal with a construction related problem and a construction legal issue, see a construction attorney.